When you're on the go and buying from others, undisclosed lab-grown diamonds and simulants can enter your stock. So knowing your inventory is crucial toward protecting your reputation. That's why we've added the portable, powerful DiaTrue Mobile for jewelers buying diamonds outside of their store. Let me show you why this is a must-have when you're on the go. Stones go into the tray. Here's your grid. Close the drawer. Press this button here, and within 5 to 7 seconds, it will scan the pieces and will show different colors to let you know if it's a lab-grown, a natural, or a simulant. So here are the results. Red, HPHT. These blue ones are natural diamonds. Very plain and simple. You can click on these here and give you a closer view. If you need to get closer, you can expand the screen. Typically, this takes multiple machines to accomplish, but the DiaTrue is an all-in-one unit to help you get the job done. Now I'll show you how to do a mounted ring. Open the drawer, take this platform out. There's two ways you can do this. One, there's a tray in here that the ring can go into, or you can use the finger stick, which fits right into this hole here. And then you're allowed to turn the ring, close the drawer, same as before, press the camera, and then within 5 to 7 seconds, it scans the ring and lets you know what your stones are. So here you can tell that the center stone is not a diamond, but you can tell the accent stones are natural diamonds, and that there is no HPHT in this ring whatsoever. Very simple and easy to use. If you're traveling and buying loose stones or mounted rings, it's very small, compact, comes with a case. The DiaTrue Mobile is what you're going to need. To order your DiaTrue Mobile today, click on the link in the description.